morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, teacher. Good morning. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, teacher.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning, ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
But in portion ratio proportion, percentage, and lines and angles are there in portion.
Yes, ma'am.
Only
In that ratio proportion is only there,
Should
no? It's
proportion
that
like
profit
and
and
angle.
loss.
Okay. In ratio
In
proportion,
ratio
no?
and proportion, it is only there, no? Profit and loss. So it will come.
Ha. I'll tell that. I will tell that. Let everybody else also join. Okay.
hmm. Ma'am, so
Okay.
how percentage is also given? Percentage is also no in ratio proportion chapter in old book.
No, it is
In
that
old book, in
next
old book,
chapter.
in old book.
Yes,
But
it
in
is
new book,
next.
it is different.
Hmm.
Yes. In old book, it is the same only, no?
Three.
Fourth lesson.
Speed, time, distance.
Speed time distance, it is means different chapter in old book.
So we have started with linear equation.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, you have given to write of that.
Linear equation.
Not exercise that you have given us to mark and write. Teacher has given that.
Array in ratio and proportion, you have unitary method, speed, distance, and time. In
Okay.
percentage, you have profit and loss and simple interest.
Okay.
Okay, so everything is covered now.
Yes. Means
Then
mean total 6 chapters, no? In exam.
Three chapters
No,
and
mean
that.
adding all three
everything
that.
three, everything
Yes.
added together. Everything is put together. No, so different,
Okay.
different you are feeling. But only one exercise, no, bacha of all. Matlab not more than that, no,
No,
in
but
that
they are
exercise.
big, no? All exercises are big, no? But
Not big. We have
but
solved so
easy.
easily.
But easy, no? That are easy all.
Then good to see squares and square roots and all coming up. Very good.
Hmm. Ma'am, today new lesson or revision?
New lesson.
Oh.
Revision we will start later.
Yes, we started with linear
Linear
equation.
equation. Hmm.
Equation.
Okay.
And we are going. You said we are going to start exercise 10.1 today.
How to
So
solve it?
writing part is done.
Yes.
Ma'am, you
Yes,
given us.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That day we completed, no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the page number in the new book? Linear equations. One
Ma'am,
second.
in notebook
Ma'am,
it is
ma'am, page
140.
is 130.
Ma'am, 130 page number.
Okay.
Book
Very easy. Huh?
138.
Very easy this is.
What?
Solving sums.
Okay.
Ma'am, last time you given points to remember and something remember points to write in
So
notebook.
that part has been done, no? Completed, no? So we will
Yes,
start
Yes,
with
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
11.
ma'am.
Ma'am, 10.1 is very easy. Only 2.2.
10.1 is very easy, right?
Yes.
The first one is solve
Yes,
the
ma'am.
equations mentally. So let us do that. You all know now how to do it.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Last
ma'am.
week we learned it.
So write it with pencil. Solve it in the textbook itself. I am giving you 2 minutes. Solve it in the textbook. We will be discussing the
Only
answer.
first one or all the four?
Only question number one. Only question number one.
Okay, ma'am.
Rest all are big. We cannot solve in textbook.
Exactly. See, Atharva knows so many things. And the other Atharva is having so many doubts. Completed?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Made
Yes.
one.
Yes,
Completed,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Completed.
Everybody has completed.
Not now. Means
Yes, ma'am, completed.
Ma'am, no. Ma'am, no. Please wait a minute.
very easy there.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So, a plus 8 is equal to 12. What is a?
4.
4.
4.
Ma'am,
4.
4. A is
4.
equal to 4.
4.
A is equal to 4. Yes.
Can one of you tell me how you got a is equal to 4?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
may
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 I
I
I
say?
say?
say? May I
Tell
say?
me.
May Atharva?
Ma'am, may I Pranjal?
Atharva?
Ma'am, may I
Ma'am,
tell?
direct.
Wait. Pranjal?
Ma'am,
Yes.
may I tell?
Yes, ma'am. A1, I did 12 minus 8, which is equal to 4.
Okay, right.
So the
And
A
I
is A is equal to 4, which is the variable.
Oh. The second one, Atharva Duri,
18.
how you got? That also
Ele-
to this, yeah?
11 plus 7.
In
Huh?
new book it's 14.
Means
Ma'am, may I?
It is
Yes,
new
ma'am,
book
it
14.
is
is
different.
14.
Ma'am,
Tell me.
old book textbook it is b minus 7 is
Yes.
equal to 11. So 18.
Ma'am, may I tell my but ma'am, here B plus 13 is equal to 27.
B
Old
plus
book
13
different.
is equal to
Is equal to
27.
27. Is equal to
So that's
14.
14
Is
plus 13.
equal to 14.
Correct. So,
Old book different.
third one.
Ma'am, I didn't
Ah,
got third one. Third one, I got fourth one.
Ma'am, may I?
third
Third
one you
one
did
is
not.
15.
Okay. Are you
15.
sure?
Third
Are
one is
you
15.
how you got?
15, 15.
You are on mute, Vancha.
Atharva, no one
7
asked.
plus 8. 7 plus 8 is 15.
Okay, so you took the this minus 7 the other side, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Ma'am, but
good.
it is that is 9C is equal to 45.
Ma'am, sums are different. Clearly. Hmm.
9C is equal to 45 for us is E1.
Even,
Clear?
yeah.
Page
Hmm.
number 133.
That's E1 for in the new book.
E1
Okay,
5.
D minus 6 is equal to 7. Tanmay Bhatt.
Yeah, ma'am. D is equal to 13.
D is equal to 13. How did you get that?
When we mean shift minus 6 to right side, it becomes plus 6. So 7
Ah,
plus 6 is equal to 13.
okay. E1, Atharva, not Dhuri, the other one. Kulkarni.
Yes.
E1. 9E is equal to 45.
Yes. 5. 5.
How did you get 5?
First I did E transposed 9, which is
Ah,
multiplied.
ah,
45 E is equal to 45 by 9,
ah.
and then I divided and I got 5.
Okay. Then F1, Ayush Mane.
Yes, teacher. F1, 9.
How did you get 9?
I shifted the 8 to that side and done division.
Okay. 8D is equal to 72. That is the question, right? In your book, is it different?
There no question is there. Means there one 8D old
8D
book.
is not there. Okay. What is there in your
F1 is
old book?
different.
At
30t is equal to minus
is
60.
equal to minus 60.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So we have 8D is equal to 72. So 8D is equal to 72 is what?
Ma'am, may I?
Wait,
Ma'am,
wait. Those are the answer, not two. Those are not given.
may I?
Wait,
Ma'am,
let
we
me
can
check.
do
Teacher, can I Aryan?
multiplication. Ma'am, we can do multiplication also. 8
Ah, yes.
9 10.
Aryan Bhangre.
Yes, teacher. It is what we have to do. 8D is equal to 72. Then what we have to do is 72 divided by 8, and then we get the answer as 9.
You get the answer as 9. Okay. M upon 7 is equal to 8. Nihar.
Yes, ma'am.
M upon 7 is equal to 8.
M upon 7. Ma'am, in the old book, there is no question.
Okay, you tell M
Ma'am,
upon
may I
7.
tell the answer?
Wait. M upon 7 is equal to 8. M will be what?
Ma'am, may I?
May I tell Tanmay?
Ma'am, may I?
Oh, how many?
Ma'am, may I Pranjal?
Ayush. Ma'am, may I tell
Tanmay.
Pratyush?
Ma'am, may I?
Okay, Pratyush.
Ma'am,
Vidya.
old book page number.
M is equal to 56 I'm getting.
Okay. Dhairya Verma, the last one. N upon 6 is equal to 9.
Yes, teacher. 9 into 6 division will go that side and it will be multiplication. 9 into 6 is equal to 54.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody is getting the same.
Same answer. Yes, ma'am. Same answer.
Yes, ma'am.
All the same answer.
Only one thing that we need to check is the ones who are having the old book, you need to
Yes.
take the sum from your friends, or if you want, we can send the PDF. Okay, if the sums are totally different then, right? So can we start with question number 2 now?
Notebook.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes, in
ma'am.
the notebook. No doubt in that. It has to be done in the notebook only. Ready?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. So question number 2 says solve the following equations and verify your answers. They're saying to solve as well as to verify also. So they don't want just to solve and leave it like that. So what does verify here mean? Verify means you're going
Cross
to put
check.
Check your answer.
Show the working.
Cross check.
Show the working.
We have to cross check the answer. Cross check the answer.
Yes.
Ma'am, old book page number
old book. I don't know.
140.
10.1. No.
How much?
140.
140.
140.
Okay. And new book 133 is what I know now. I don't have both the books together with me now. Okay. So
What is
question
the
number
exercise?
I didn't get because it is second one here is solve the following equation by transportation method.
Oh, okay. So here we have some different questions. Let us see if the questions are same. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So question number 2A says 12A plus 1 is equal to 37. This is our question.
Ma'am, it is same in all book also.
Yes, ma'am, it is
Yeah,
same.
ma'am, it is
Same.
Okay. So how are we going to solve? Very easy. This one I am going to take it here. That will be 37 minus 1.
37 minus 1.
Then we get 36. So
This is the
3.
3.
Now verification. Our answer is not here. Huh? We did not get the full answer because the question says verify your answer. So how are you going to verify? You're going to put this on this side and then check whether both the sides are same. That is when you verify your answer. And this is what your left hand side. And this is your right hand side. Barabar, no? This is my right hand side, no? And this is my left hand side.
yes.
Correct? So LHS left hand side. LHS is what? Left hand side.
Left hand side.
Side.
12A plus 1. That will be equal to 12 into 3 plus
12
1.
into 3 plus 1.
So 36 plus 1, which is 37.
37.
Yes. So we can say LHS is equal to
RHS.
RHS is equal to RHS.
Physical
that
to
means our
RHS.
answer is correct.
RHS.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is.
Yes, clear.
Yes.
Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am, clear.
Ma'am, are we going to do the B1?
D1 is homework, D1 is homework, F and H is homework.
Ma'am, can you just tell the questions of this?
Okay. Everybody has completed till here, then I can say the questions.
Ma'am, please wait a minute.
Because otherwise I will have to keep on repeating the questions.
Done, ma'am.
Done?
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
And none.
Ma'am, wait. I got the answer of the C1. Can we start with C1?
Yes.
Yes.
So 8x plus 20 is equal to 52. That is thus B1. B1, B sum, which is to be done as homework. Question says 8x plus 20 is equal to 52.
Different.
So write and keep the question there. 8x plus 20 is equal to 52. B1,
Ma'am, there is the same question in the E1. 8Z plus 20 is equal to 52.
so just change that into B. Kar lo.
It is the same.
We are, Dhanashri, we are speaking about the old book and the new book sums. So if you want, if you have an old book, you can check. Otherwise, if you are having a new book, you can continue with solving the sums. Then D1, D1 is 5y minus 9 is equal to 26. D1 is 5y minus 9 is equal to 26.
Ma'am, there is no sum.
Write down, no then. Write down this sum. D1 in the new book is 5y minus 9 is equal to 26. F1 is 5 into x minus 4 is equal to 35. X minus 4 to be written in bracket. 5 into x minus 4 is equal to 35. That is the F1.
You write the sums on the board.
You want me to write the sums? Okay, I'll do that.
Because means I am not understanding that.
Okay. I hope everybody has completed A1.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So the homework questions D1 is 8x plus 20 is equal to 52. B1 by minus 9 is equal to 26.
లోపట్ల
F1 5 into x minus 4 is equal to 35 and H1 9 into x plus 5 is equal to 108. Now find
That's fine.
Ma'am,
Those are all homework, na?
yes. We start with C1, which says 3x minus 4 is equal to 29. So when we take this to this side, 3x
I
is
got
equal
answer as 11.
Yes, ma'am. I also got.
Yes, ma'am. I also got
Don't
11.
tell the answer.
Yes, ma'am. I also got 11.
Just continue solving the next one. If you've already solved it.
Or did you solve it further or you left it like this?
11.
We saw it.
11.
And
Ma'am,
so
in the old book it is 5.25.
No one wants to do the answer.
okay, you have the questions now with you, no, bacha? So just write it accordingly then. You have all the questions that we have in the new book now, correct? LHS is what? 3x minus 4. That is equal to 3 into 11,
3 into 11.
4. Which is 33 minus 4. That is 31. Sorry,
Ma'am,
31.
29.
Correct.
29. 33 minus 4.
So we have LHS is equal to RH. Just complete this sum. Let me fill ink in my pen.
Next one.
You people can start solving the next one.
Which one it is? Old.
Which one you will do?
The old book,
F1.
na?
E1. Oh.
E1. Ma'am, what is the even sum in the new book?
Yes.
4 into x minus 8 is equal to 24. You have something like that?
Nothing. Not there.
Oh, there's a lot of change.
Ma'am, can you repeat the sum?
Yeah, wait. Just wait. Let me fill the ink. Then I will write the question. 4 into x minus 8 is equal to 24. 4 x minus 8 is in the bracket.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I got the answer of E1.
Ma'am, I too got.
Okay. Wait, let the other ones also complete. Okay. Easy now.
What is the sum? 4x
Minus 8 is equal to 24. Is this even done? Everybody has completed, students?
Yeah, ma'am. Wait, ma'am.
I also got
Devendra,
E1.
Ma'am, I also got the answer of E1.
Very easy.
Devendra has solved the sum, got the answer. Very good.
One answer I also got.
Ah, you also got. Very nice.
8.
8. Okay.
Can you shut
Ma'am,
up?
I got it as 14.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. I also got it as 14.
Huh?
Oh, wait.
How
Ma'am,
it can
that
be?
will be 14
Equal to
only.
14.
Huh?
Ma'am, I got 14.
It is 14.
8.
Did anybody ask me
The
the
answer.
It is 14.
And even if we check, we get the answer same.
Answer is 8.
Ma'am, it is.
Wait.
Ma'am, I did rechecking and I got the answer correct as 14.
14 only, yeah.
It's LHS is equal to RHS, 14.
Yes,
What is the answer?
14 only.
So let us check
Ma'am,
now.
can we do the other way too?
Which one?
Ma'am, I did not
Like I
understood
did,
that.
I
Why
did
did you take it?
24.
Arey, why don't you talk now? How I will understand what you people are speaking?
Ma'am, I did 24 upon 4, which is equal to 6, and I added by 8. So it is 14.
Ah, that is fine.
Ma'am, how about 32? What here?
Ma'am, but how did you get 32 over there?
She multiplied 4 and 8.
4 and 8 multiplication.
How did you get equal?
I also not got equal.
Because it's 6, no. It should be equal to 24. So
Yes,
then
it's
LHS is
12 minus 8 is equal to 6.
Ma'am, I
Yes.
divided 24 by 4 and I got 6. Then I added 8 to
LHS
6
is
and the answer came 14.
LHS is
Okay,
not.
this side you got 14, but when you check it with the answer, you don't get 14.
Okay,
You
ma'am.
get
Yeah, ma'am, I did a
You get
mistake.
14, ma'am. 14 minus 8
No,
is
it is
equal to 6
Ma'am,
and 4 into 6 is
actually,
equal to 4.
ma'am,
Ma'am,
what the
do your
question is,
phone
4 into
downward.
x is equal to minus 8. Means I didn't multiply it by x and 8.
This is 24, no? This side
And we
14.
can't.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. It is correct.
No, I was thinking something else. I don't know what happened.
What?
I thought
Ma'am, I can't see downwards.
why? Why you can't see downwards?
The phone is off now.
Ma'am,
He is
done.
bored.
Don't complain about my phone all the time, huh? It's visible, no?
Yes.
See?
Ma'am, G1 done. Ma'am, G1 done.
Yes, ma'am.
What is G1 now?
So what is G1?
Hmm.
G1 is 7 into x plus 3 is equal to 42. Kids, whenever there are brackets, no, you will multiply both with this number. 4x and 4
Ma'am,
into
actually what I did is I transfer 4 to the 24 side and then
is also fine.
Then I
Ma'am,
divided
7 into
24 by
x plus
4.
3
The
is equal
answer
to how
came
much?
6. So
32,
I added
right?
6 to 8.
7 into x plus 3 is equal to 42. Yes, Ayush, are you saying something?
Ma'am, I didn't do it like this, but I got the answer 14.
How did you do it then?
I divided 24 by 4. I got 6 and then I added 8 to
Yes.
the 6.
Yes.
Then
That is
I
what
added 8
I
to
was
6.
Ma'am,
And
G1 got
G1
I
got
I got
same.
G1 plus 3.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3.
I hope everybody else who are not joining the discussion are able to understand what we are doing in the class. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
yes.
Everybody is clear with whatever is going on in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. People tell the answer, so
Yes.
people just don't join the discussion.
But those who are not speaking, at least they should know, tell whether they are able to understand or not.
Ma'am,
So
I
we will be
understood.
moving this. We will be
21.
moving
I got is 3.
So as everybody else is saying, that method is also correct. Or else you can solve it in this.
Am I solved in the method which you are solving?
This is something which I am comfortable with.
Ma'am, I also solved in the same method. Me too.
Ma'am, the different method which I told you, will it be okay for exam?
Yes.
3.
42.
40.
So we get
LHS is equal to
RHS.
now the second method that these students are saying, I will just solve it also. So what are they
Ma'am,
doing?
my method is correct.
Upon 7. Why upon 7? Raja becomes Praja when it goes to the other side.
Yeah. Yes.
So we get x plus 3 is equal to how much?
Ma'am, 6 minus 3 is equal to 3.
6 minus 3 is equal to 3.
So we are getting
Yes.
the answer same. It all
Second
depends
one?
on you. Whichever method you want to, you can take. So till here everybody is clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Done.
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Clear.
Yes.
Ma'am, now which one we have to do? Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Third one.
Now
Ma'am, wait a minute.
First
Third
one
one.
is 6.
Question number 3 is the same in the old book and the new book.
No. In 3, in which of the following the value of the variable is the negative integer? Third one in old book.
But the question is 23 minus 4
Yes.
is equal to 4x minus 25.
Yeah, it is the same.
Yes. Yes.
A1 is the same.
But the
Ma'am,
question is
only
solve
first.
for x. Question is solve for x. So we are not finding the negative integer, we are finding solve for x. Okay. I hope
First.
everybody has completed. I can rub.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, first term is same
Yes,
in both
ma'am.
books.
Ma'am, don't rub the second method.
Ma'am, third one.
Question number 3. A1 we are solving now. It says 23 minus 4x is equal to
Ma'am, I got it.
4x. Now by transposition method, what are we going to do here? We are going to take
And
this
we will
to
shift that 25 to plus 25. 23 plus 25. And 4x
and
plus 4.
when this minus comes here, it becomes
Plus.
this 4x becomes plus 4.
Plus.
Right, by transposition. Because that is what they want the answer to be found out in that way. So we have 49 is equal to, sorry, 48.
48.
So 48 upon 8 is equal to x.
6.
6.
6.
6 is equal to x or x is equal to 6.
Ma'am, 6x?
What happened?
No, no.
Yes, ma'am. X is equal to 6.
X 6.
Yes.
6. X is equal to 6.
The question says find the value of x. So we have found the value of x. Okay?
So what is homework?
We don't go.
We will start the homework part. Wait, let us solve first.
Ma'am, now
Ma'am,
you
this is a
will
big
show.
question.
C1, B1 is different I suppose in your book and in our book. B1 is 2 into x minus 4 is equal to 3 minus 2x plus 5.
Different.
No, ma'am, it's different.
Can I rub this? Everybody is submitted.
Ma'am, then what is the
Ma'am,
sum?
C1.
Ma'am, please wait a minute. Please don't rub that sum.
Okay. So I will write question number 3 homework on this side, the sum. Right? So you can check whether in the new book and the old book there is any difference. 3x minus 5 into x minus 2 is equal to 4.
Homework, ma'am. These are
These
homework.
are the homework sums.
Ma'am, it is
Ma'am, in the new book, it is 2x.
So you make the changes. 2x needs 3x. X minus 2.
Ma'am, it is different in the old book. It is 0 is equal to 18 minus 9 bracket m minus 2.
So you make the changes. No, you just write down the sum.
Okay. Ma'am, your that part of the board is not visible. Can you shift your mobile to that?
Yes, the left part is not visible a little bit.
Fine.
Yes.
Yes, it is fine now.
Everybody has completed the sum.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Yes, ma'am.
These 3 are given as homework.
Teacher,
All the
wait.
homework written down. Can we rub and start the new ones?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Written down the homework sums. Everybody has written down.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got the answer of C1.
C1 also. Very good. Very easy.
C1 is over.
Ma'am, could you repeat what is B1 question?
No, wait.
Yes, I will write it on the board now. Wait. So I hope everybody has completed this sums. No, that is there on the board.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, wait a minute.
Oh, what? Right fast. No.
My down number. Ma'am, B1 you are going to do.
Huh? Ah, B1.
B1. I got the answer, ma'am. B1.
B1. No, it says 2 into x minus 4.
So you can drop it.
Okay. 3 minus 2x plus 5. Just don't blindly copy us, students. If you are not able to understand, ask me now itself. It shouldn't be like teacher is just completing the portion. Now here, you're going to multiply this and this. So 2
Minus
into
8.
x minus 2 into
8.
2x minus 8.
3 minus 2x plus 5. Now you're going to take all the variables to one place and all the numbers to other place. So my minus 2x, when it comes here, it
That
becomes
is the answer.
positive.
Plus 2x. Ma'am, I'm getting x as 4.
Okay, I don't know. 3
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay. 4x is equal to 16. X is equal to 16 upon 4, which is equal to 4.
4.
When this minus 8 comes to this side, it becomes plus 8. This plus 5 is going to remain the same. This plus 3 is going to remain the same. This negative 2x, when it comes to this side, it becomes positive. You should not get confused with the signs. You should be very clear, very attentive when you are solving the sum.
Yes,
Because otherwise, you will make silly errors and you will lose out your marks.
Ma'am, C1 is homework, right?
Yes. C1 and
ma'am.
G1
Now
is
we will do D1.
D is also homework, so we will solve E1. If B1 is
Ma'am, what is
completed,
the question E?
B1, no? Is B1 completed, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I have the first two steps?
పడతావు స్వీటీ గట్లా కుసోకు
Ma'am, D1.
B1, 7x minus 3 into x minus 5 is equal to 21 minus 2 into x minus 3. A bit big one. Can I have the second step?
Yes, ma'am.
Nice.
So now what are we going to do is we will be opening the brackets wherever there are any brackets. So this becomes 3x and this minus and this minus. What is going to
Plus.
happen here?
Plus.
3 into 5 is 15.
15.
Which is equal to 21 minus
21 minus 2x.
minus is going to remain the same, but this and this minus is going to make it
Teacher, why did you make it 15?
huh?
Why did you make
3 into 5.
It is 3 into x and 3 into 5. See,
When how?
here
Okay.
2 into x and 2 into 3. See, it is 2 into x minus, which means 2 into x minus 2 into 3. Clear? So what is my answer then? 2x minus 6. That is what I got here. But why I got plus 6? Because there are two negatives. So I got a plus 6.
Okay.
Now everybody is clear with this step? Second one.
Yes.
I hope I can rub the third step.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Students, those are not not understood, just write this example and keep with you so that in doubt you can just check this. Okay?
Hmm.
So now I'm going to take all the variables together again. So here I
7x,
have 7x
3x,
minus 2x,
2x.
and this 2x when it comes here plus हो जाता है, right?
Yes.
Then we have 21 plus 6. We are going to take this side, huh? ये वाला नहीं, ये वाला side. And this plus when it comes here, it becomes
Minus.
correct.
Hmm.
So now you have 4x plus 2x is equal to 21 plus 6, 27 minus 50, which is, array, who's that making noises? X is equal to 12 upon
12.
6, which is equal to 2.
2.
Anybody having any doubt will ask me now itself. Here you will write the reason by transposition.
Yes, teacher, I have
Ma'am,
Ah,
yes, teacher, it was 7x minus 3x plus 15. So when we did the transposition, we got 4x plus 2x. But how did we get plus 2x? We should
okay,
have
well,
got
let's see.
minus.
We had no minus 2x plus 6 here.
Yes.
Correct, no? So this minus 2x, we brought it here. You missed out this step. 7x minus 3x and this minus 2x, I brought it here.
Ma'am, what is not homework?
What is not homework? C, D and G, except these all are to be done in the class. C, D,
Teacher,
G.
but then plus minus is equal to minus. Then how?
Which one plus minus is equal to minus?
Teacher, see, it was 3x plus 15. And when we did that, it should be 3x plus minus 2x.
Minus 3x, correct?
Yes.
Minus and minus is going to be plus.
Yes.
So minus and minus plus 3 into 5, 15,
Yes.
correct? 21 minus 2x, minus and minus plus 2 into 3, 6.
Yes.
This was just an example for you people. Huh? Don't refer to this because the signs are different. यहाँ पे minus always है. यहाँ पे we don't have that minus. Clear?
Ma'am, what is the F question?
Ma'am,
Just let
in
me.
the third step,
In the third step,
yes,
what
ma'am,
happened?
in the third step, you took 7 minus 3x, but why plus 2x?
This minus 2x when it comes here, it will become plus. It will change its sign, no?
Yes.
And
Okay.
same with 15. Plus 15 will become minus 15.
Okay.
Everybody is clear with this step?
Yes.
Ma'am, so means we
Yes,
have.
ma'am.
Yes, Pranjal.
Hello, ma'am.
Bolo.
So means we have to differentiate between the variable signs and the whole numbers, right?
Yes, variables to be taken on one side and the numbers to be taken on the other side. That will make your sum much more easier. Otherwise, if you see the sum, it will be difficult for you to solve.
Okay, ma'am.
Everybody has completed E1? Can I wrap?
Yes.
Everybody is clear with how we record the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we start with the F1 now. So F1 is what? F1 says, see, they give you such kind of, in this way ki you become confused how to solve. Only thing is you need to be very careful not to like look here and there when you solve such type of sums, a small error and you get wrong answer.
Yes.
Especially when you're bringing from one side to other, the signs change. negative becomes positive, positive becomes negative. That you need to remember. 3x minus, for those who are still confused, I'm just writing this 2 into 2x. And this negative becomes positive, and it gives 2 into 5 is equal to 2 into, again, x plus 2 into 3 minus 2. So you have 3x minus 4x plus 2 into 5, 10,
10.
plus 6 minus 2. Now I'm going to take all the variables together. So 3x minus 4x, and this 2x coming to this side, minus 2x.
Minus 2x.
This 10 going to that side, minus this,
Minus
minus.
4.
So everything is negative now. The answer also will be negative. Let us see. 3 minus 4 is minus x.
Yeah.
Minus 2x is equal to 6 minus 8, which is going to be minus 2 minus 10. So we have minus x minus 2x minus 3x is equal
Minus
to
3x.
minus 12. How minus 12? Two negatives we are going to add, but the sign is
Positive.
going to
Add.
remain the
Yeah. Same.
bigger number.
Yes.
Whatever says, that is what the numbers. Same here also. So now we have two negatives on both the sides. So we can
Positive.
write it as 3x is equal to 12. So x is
12.
equal to 12
12
upon 3,
is 4.
4. First understand, then write. Don't be in a hurry to write. I'm ready
Ma'am,
to
how
wait.
does negative 3x and negative 12 become positive 3x and positive 12?
Minus, minus. Minus, minus.
You can divide the whole, no? You can divide the whole by negative sign. Or divide the whole by negative 1. That is also going to give you positive. And whenever there are two sides, both the sides having negative, then the answer will be positive. That is both sides.
Yeah.
अगर एक side में negative है तो no, that will not change. But if both the sides are negative, then you get a positive. Okay? Or else you can add up one more step, dividing the whole by minus 1, which will again be just an extra step for you. You just need to understand now. Because 8th standard mein you need to cut your steps so that you get your answers fast. You don't waste your time calculating all of these things. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, H question is there.
F question, yes. F1.
H.
We have done.
H.
H1. Yes, H1 is there. Everybody is completed till here. Is everybody clear how we got this answer?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
ma'am, I just wanted to ask that in 2x minus 5, it is minus, right? So how did we take plus in the downwards part?
Which one? This one, no?
Yes, in the first step.
Here what I did, just for your sake, no, I wrote this. I can write it minus here. That is also fine because it is in the bracket. When you open the bracket, this negative and this negative is going to give me a positive side. Minus into
Yes.
minus.
Yes,
And this
ma'am.
step I
Yeah,
wrote
ma'am.
so that you people understand when opening the bracket, you're going to do this.
Okay, ma'am.
Is the doubt clear?
Ma'am, I'm done
Yes,
with the
ma'am.
H1.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am, can you tell the question? H.
Can we start with the H1?
Yes,
Yes,
please.
ma'am.
It's very big.
It's very big. Let us see. Then it will be much
I
more
just wrote it. It's very big.
very big. Okay.
Ma'am, your board is little blur. Now it
Board
is
is
clear.
good. Can you try rejoining? Is this same? Everybody having everybody
No,
is having
ma'am,
this?
it is clear now.
No,
No,
ma'am,
ma'am,
it's
it is
clear
clear.
for me.
Okay,
Clear.
then try rejoining, bacha. Is it
Ma'am,
try
your board is little bit.
Left side. I can't see that side number.
Now clear?
No, ma'am.
Huh.
Don't scroll
Not
that
clear.
side.
Don't you see my balls or what?
Ma'am, equation finished?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So now what are we going to do? We are going to open the bracket. Now when we open the bracket, this 3 will be multiplied with 2x as well as this 3 will be multiplied with this 1. So it will be 6x minus 3 into
1.
1 3 minus 1 nahi bacha, 3 into 1. So 3. Okay. Minus 4 into x. And because I am putting it in the bracket, so negative only will be continued. 4 into 2 will be minus 8. Because it is in the bracket, once I open the bracket, then my signs are going to change. Then 5x, 5 into
15.
3,
15.
minus 1. This number to be multiplied only with this one. ये bracket के अंदर whatever is there, only with that we are going to multiply this 5. Minus के बाद में whatever is there, it is totally different term. Don't get confused there.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Understood.
Now we are going to open the bracket.
And then we'll get plus.
Minus 4x, yes. Now this minus and this minus plus 8.
Plus.
Plus
Now
8.
5x plus, just for simplifying, I can 15 minus 1, I can write 14. Same here also, minus 3 and plus 8 can also be simplified. Okay, so if I simplify minus, I'm keeping all the other terms same. Minus 3 plus 8 will be plus 5.
Plus 5.
Now I'm going to take the variables together. So 6x minus
15.
4x.
Ma'am, why did we have to add minus 3 and plus 8?
I'll
Couldn't we
tell you.
just bring the variables together before that?
Even that can be done. Even that can be done.
Ma'am, in the
First,
last bracket, minus 3x is equal to 9. How am I supposed to solve that?
just a second. Let me complete.
How you got 14 minus
14 minus 5.
15 minus 1, not 14 minus 5.
2x minus 5x. Let me complete this sum, then I will explain to you all.
15 minus 1 is 14. Ma'am did the subtraction and multiplication in before itself.
100 cases.
So it will be easy.
Okay. Now I got minus 3x.
डिपेंड्स ऑन वो अप्रूवल किस टाइप का है ना उसके
और
ऊपर
युवराज,
ये लोग क्या करते हैं कभी कभी ऐसे जमा के रखते हैं सरफेस का वन टाइम अप्रूवल लेके एक ही साथ भेजते हैं
युवराज, mute
Yeah,
yourself.
just
उसी
please
पे
mute
कभी
yourself.
कभी 100 के ऊपर भी केसेस होते हैं
Yuvraj, mute.
Okay. So here, why did I do this? Minus 3 plus 8. Because the sum was a bit big one. Okay. So if I take all of these numbers that side, there are chances that I may make mistakes. यहाँ पे 15, यहाँ पे 1, then this 3 to be taken that side. ये minus 3 है, ये plus 8 है. So when I take it to the other side, there are chances that I may do small mistakes. So what I will do, यहाँ का जो भी है, I will just settle it here itself. So minus 3 and plus 8. I got plus 5. So now I got it to one number. And here it is second number. So now when I take this plus 5 here, I know it is minus 5. So my mistakes will be reduced. Clear? This point is clear? Apart from
Yeah,
that,
ma'am.
6x and minus 4x, no, this also you can reduce. And then this 5x can come here. That means your two steps can get reduced if you solve it properly with proper now this is done because you should be able to understand. Now when you're solving this step here itself, if you solve all of this, no, taking everything together, and then 6x minus 4x, and then this minus 3 plus 5, then 5x plus 14, you actually can miss out this step and you'll get this step here directly. Correct, no? Yeah, what did I do? I just wrote one more step for you to make you understand how we can solve it. Otherwise, you can skip one step, which will make much more easier for you to solve. Taking all of the variables of this side together, ये side का पूरा solve कर दो. Variables and numbers. ठीक है? Variables should be done with variables only. Numbers should be done with numbers only. But left hand side I'm clearing it out. And right hand side also. So then my numbers become small. My variables are also reduced. And I can save my time also. And my errors also get reduced here. Because when you take, abhi sir, so this minus I'm taking it here. What if I don't, are not very clear? So this minus may become minus only here. Right? I may forget to make it plus. I may forget to make this minus when I take it that side. So to reduce all of those errors, I can just skip this one step. Skip in the sense, you will take everything together, write everything together, complete this side, LHS stuff, RHS to be completed, and then solve it. Understood the idea?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you
Everybody,
explain the last three steps again?
last three steps. Everybody is completed writing this?
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Anybody is remaining?
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm in.
I also have a doubt.
Ma'am, but I understood what you did in the last step, x is equal to minus 3 upon 3. But the minus sign also applies to the x also, right?
Uh,
So how can we write it as x is equal to minus
3
upon
into
3?
2x. 3 into 2x is 6x. 3 into 1 is 3.
Yes.
4 into x is 4x. 4 into 2 is 8. 5 into x is 5x. 5 into 3 is 15. Minus 1, minus 1.
Ma'am, I'm
I
talking
hope,
about the last step. Minus 3x is equal to 9.
okay, I'll just explain this again. If everybody has written down this step, can I rub it so that I can have space to explain properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm done with the actual.
So what I will do here is, see I wrote this step, no? Till here I have completed. Now, if I want my calculations to be fast, what I will do is 6x minus 4x, I'll take together, minus 3 plus 8 is equal to 5x plus 40. Now what am I doing? I'm taking all the variables together, so I know 2x आ गया यहाँ पे.
Hmm.
Plus 5 is equal to 5x plus 40. Correct? Now 2x and this 5x bringing are they removed
7x.
here? It will be minus 3x. And this 5 going that side, 14 minus 5. Now I know minus 3x is equal to 9. So my sum, see, my steps got reduced, no? And my calculations also became easier.
Understood, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now clear?
Yes.
You get the same answer. Only thing is you take all the variables together, numbers together, and just reduce your calculation so that when you take it that side, itna pura when you take it that side, you may make errors, which you are reducing now. Okay? Clear?
Yes, ma'am,
Yes.
clear.
Yes, ma'am, clear.
It's 11 o'clock now. You people have to go.
Bye bye.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
bye,
have a
ma'am.
nice
Have a
day.
nice
Bye
day.
bye,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am. Have a nice
Hope
day.
you
Hope
hope
you
you
and
and
your
your family are safe and in good health.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day. Take care.
Thank you. Soham, Dhairya Verma, what doubt you people have now? You have raised your hands.
No, ma'am, I first
Bye,
one
teacher.
is
Bye, bye,
Oh,
teacher.
yes, bye, Dhairya.
Ma'am, our 11 o'clock lecture.
हाँ गुण